If you're trying to locate the battery in an Audi A5 2011, it is in the boot of the car. First of all, you want to lift up this. You can actually use this to hold it up for you. You've got the spare wheel first. You want to release the spare wheel by unscrewing this. That will come off completely, and then you want to pull out the spare wheel.
Daddy didn't do this so heavy.
That's the spare wheel. And then underneath the spare wheel is where you'll find your battery. This cover just comes off. And there is the battery for your vehicle. You've also got lots of tools, changing wheels and everything hidden down here as well. You've even got a jack to jack up the wheel. So yeah, nice little hidden storage space as well there. Next, you attach the positive to the positive side of the battery. You can see on the case there it's got a big positive marker, and then the negative I've just earthed on a screw that was coming out of the boot, which is there. I believe you can also use this one here. And next we're going to plug this in, and you want to make sure that you select the right setting for your battery. Now this battery is 12 volts AGM, so it's very important that you're selecting the right option on your charger, whatever charger you're using. So there we go, I'm going to leave it to charge for the next few hours.